Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. When you reconcile an account, it's important that your beginning balance in QuickBooks matches the beginning balance on your bank or credit card statement. Let's go over why your beginning balances might be different and how to fix them. First, let's look at how to find a beginning balance in QuickBooks and on the bank statement. Select Reconcile, then choose the account you want to reconcile. If your beginning balance in QuickBooks is different from what you see on your statement, that means you need to fix it in QuickBooks before you can reconcile. If your beginning balance is 0, close the Reconcile window and select the Chart of Accounts. Then double-click the account. Enter the date you want to start tracking the account from. This should be the beginning of the fiscal year that you started using QuickBooks. Then enter the beginning balance as a deposit if the account is a bank type, or a charge if the account is a credit card. In the Account field, enter Opening Balance Equity. Then enter a memo, Opening Balance. Select Record. Open the reconciliation window again and enter the same date you used earlier as the statement date, and the same amount you entered earlier. Select Continue. Select the beginning balance journal entry and nothing else. You should have a difference of 0. Select Reconcile Now, and close any windows that appear. Now your beginning balance matches the statement. If this is your first reconciliation and the beginning balance is wrong, but it isn't 0, your beginning balance entry could just be for the wrong dollar amount. Note the amount, then close the Reconcile window. Select Chart of Accounts. Double-click the account. Then select Go to Amount and enter the amount you noted earlier. Select Next. If the beginning balance is wrong, you'll see it here. Change the dollar amount to what you want it to be, and then select Record. Select Yes. Now your beginning balance will match the statement. If this isn't your first reconciliation and the beginning balance doesn't match the statement, it's usually because someone changed a reconciled transaction. From the Reconcile window, select Locate Discrepancies, then Discrepancy Report. From this report, you'll see any changes made to reconciled transactions. QuickBooks lists the account, what it was originally reconciled for, how it changed, and the dollar amount of the change. If the change reads Amount, it means you should change the transaction back to its original cleared amount. Double-click the transaction, then enter its original cleared amount. Select Save and Close, and Yes. The transaction no longer appears on the report. If the report reads Uncleared, double-click the transaction. Then click the space in the checkmark column until you see a checkmark. Then Record and select Yes. If the report says that a transaction was deleted, you'll need to re-enter it. Select the menu option or icon for the type of transaction you need to re-enter. Then fill out the transaction so that it matches what it was before you deleted it. Then save and close the transaction. Select Reconcile and enter what the beginning balance should be along with the date of the most recent reconciliation. Then select Continue. Select just the transactions you deleted and re-entered. You should have a difference of 0, as long as the re-entered transactions total the same dollar amount as they did before you deleted them. Select Reconcile Now, and don't run any of the reports. If you see more changes than you'd like to fix, and you just want to start over from a previous reconciliation, select Reconcile, and then Undo Last Reconciliation. Now you know how to identify and fix problems with your beginning balance.